People often ask how to match lights to football pitches. Before we talk about matching lights, must tell me the dimensions of your venue, first, and the location of the light poles. For example, we're talking about a 7-a-side football pitch. We use this fixture, TG QCMZ400. This light has been featured in a previous video. I won't go into the light fixtures, focusing on one of the cases, here. Let me tell you why you need to know this data. Because we know the data and then we need to simulate the effect. We need to design according to the size of the site and the height of the pole, as well as the mounting location provided by you. At least the illuminance value and uniformity must pass. And of course the glare is something we try to control. For example, once I knew the size, this 7-a-side venue is usually laid out with 6 light poles, and then the lights on both sides. These 2 positions need to be tailored to the client. Let's leave it alone for now. Look at these 6 light poles, because we need to know the dimensions of the venue to locate the lights. Then according to the location of the lamp to determine how much power to choose. Then we have to determine what angle of illumination to choose to achieve a better lighting effect. For example, this is a picture of the lighting effect we ended up simulating. This graph gives a rough idea of the uniformity of the light. Then this graph we know the illuminance values for the whole site. This value is what we call the illuminance value. Then with this graph we can also know that the average uniformity of the site is 0.51. It's enough for a football pitch. Usually 0.3 is the passing value. The average illumination on this site is around 270 LX. Finally, I'll say a few words about the chart. Some of our clients ask us right off the bat, how many watts of light does he need for his football field? And how much? Actually, if you'd started with this, I'd have known it was a tough sell. Since you don't provide data, it's hard for us to give you a recommendation on how many watts to use. If I recommend 400 W to you, if you're not satisfied with the result, you'll still come to me. This venue is equipped with 3 light angles, 3 types of lamps, 3 light angles. We tried it several times and in the end this solution had the best uniformity. Otherwise the venue will be brighter in one place, darker in another. Then this is the effect of the scene after installation. Brightness is great and uniformity is excellent. 6 light positions were installed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 2 positions can be left alone for now. This sky is not yet dark. This is what it looks like when the sky is completely black. The brightness should be higher than the data we simulated. Therefore, the football pitch light distribution needs to provide data to us first, so we can come up with a plan that works. The next step is to look at your budget. We will have different product ranges to choose from. For example, for this 7-a-side venue, we use 36 lights. It's not that we use too many lights, it's that it's more demanding. So the number of lights should be increased accordingly. If you don't require that much illumination, then the number of lights can be reduced.